Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of my absolute favorite episodes from the first season of Winx Club, episode 15, titled The Ancient Prophecy. This is such a pivotal moment in the series, packed with mystery, action, and some major character development for Bloom. So let's get right into it. The episode kicks off with a surprise return that honestly gets me so excited every time I re-watch it. The original Daphne, Bloom's ethereal spirit sister, makes an appearance, but this time, she's not just a fleeting vision. She's here with a purpose, bringing crucial information that sets the entire plot in motion. Daphne reveals that to truly understand the power of the dragon flame and uncover the secrets of her past, Bloom must journey to Lake Rockaloose. It is a classic fantasy trope, the mysterious guide pointing our hero toward a fated destination, and Winx Club executes it perfectly. The sense of urgency is palpable, and you just know this isn't going to be a simple field trip. So the Winx Club gears up and heads to the legendary Lake Rockaloose. The animation in these scenes is just beautiful. The lake is depicted as this misty, ancient place, shrouded in an aura of both serenity and danger. It's not just a pretty background. The location itself feels like a character. When they arrive, they're not greeted by a welcoming committee. Instead, the lake's magical guardians, the water nymphs, emerge. They're not exactly hostile, but they are very protective of their sacred home. They inform the girls that the answers they seek are hidden within the lake itself, but getting to them won't be easy. This sets up our first major challenge, and it's a test of more than just magic. It's a test of their character and teamwork. The exploration of Lake Rockaloose is where the action really heats up. The girls transform and dive into the depths, but this is no ordinary swim. The lake is a labyrinth of magical challenges and surprising obstacles. And who shows up to crash the party? None other than the Trix. Icy, Darcy, and Stormy have been tailing them, of course, and they see this as the perfect opportunity to ambush the Winx and try to steal the dragon flame. The underwater battle that ensues is fantastic. It's not just about flashy spells. The environment itself plays a huge role. The Trix use the murky water and the confusing underwater landscape to their advantage, separating the girls and creating a real sense of peril. Amidst all this chaos, we get a huge moment for Bloom. While facing off against the Trix and the lake's magical defenses, she feels an overwhelming sense of despair and self-doubt. She feels responsible for leading her friends into danger, and her fear starts to get the better of her. But then, something amazing happens. She hears Daphne's voice in her mind, a voice of encouragement and love. This isn't just a memory. It's a deep, internal connection that gives her a surge of newfound confidence. This is such a powerful scene because it shows Bloom's growth. She's not just relying on instinct anymore. She's starting to truly connect with the dragon flame on an emotional level. This inner strength allows her to break free from the Trix's illusions and rally her friends. It's a turning point where Bloom starts to believe in herself not just as a fairy, but as the keeper of an immense power. Thanks to Bloom's renewed spirit and leadership, the Winx manage to fend off the Trix and overcome the lake's final test. And their reward is exactly what they were hoping for. They finally uncover the clue they've been searching for, a fragment of an ancient prophecy. The prophecy speaks of a lost kingdom, a powerful king and queen and a baby princess spirited away to safety. It doesn't spell everything out, but for Bloom and for us as viewers, the pieces are finally starting to click into place. This is the first concrete evidence that connects Bloom directly to the lost royal family of Domino. It's not just a hunch anymore. It's a destiny waiting to be fulfilled. The episode ends on this incredibly hopeful and exciting note, leaving us all desperate to see what happens next. It's a masterclass in storytelling, blending action, emotion, and lore progression seamlessly. And that's a wrap on episode 15. What an incredible journey. It really lays the groundwork for the rest of the season's epic finale. What's your favorite part of this episode? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.